If your dog gets hyper at home, watch this. I'll show you how to calm your dog step by step. First, get their attention, then guide them gently. Good boy. First, don't shout. Calm energy from you creates calm behavior in your dog. Sit. Good, sit. Stand still and let your dog settle on its own. Now give a simple command like sit. Keep it clear and soft. Sit. The moment your dog listens, reward immediately. Good boy, yes. Good boy, that's it. This builds trust, not fear. You're doing so well. Repeat the same command. Consistency is everything. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Yes, good.
Avoid too many commands, it confuses your dog.
Watch this. Sit down. Fetch. Come. See? He's confused. Let's try again. Just fetch. Good boy. One clear command works best. Use hand signals along with voice. Sit. Good sit.
Dogs understand body language faster.
Good boy. Bring it back. Now increase focus. Remove distractions. Good boy. Now let's clear the area. Move these cones out of the way.
Keep sessions short but effective.
Good boy, bring it back. Drop it, good. Ready, get it. Yes, good job. Reward calm behavior, not excitement. Good boy, settle. That's it, nice and calm. Good job. Ignore jumping or overexcitement. Your reaction teaches your dog what works. If you reward a behavior, your dog will repeat it. So always react to the reward when they do something right. Good boy. Practice daily, even 5 minutes matters. Good boy. Now, stand. Let's go. Good. And sit.
Stay patient, results take consistency.
Good boy, stay. Come here. That's it. Good boy. Now watch the difference. Good boy, stay calm. That's it, much better.
Same dog, completely different energy.
Ready, let's go. Good boy, over. Weave. Yes, good run. This is how you build a calm, obedient dog. Good boy, that's it. Nice and calm. Yes, good sit. Such a good dog. No force, just smart training. Good boy, let's go. That's it, good pace.
Anyone can do this at home.
Good boy, up the ramp. Yes, good job. See? So easy.
Start today, you'll see results fast.
Good boy, come on down. Yes, good job. Follow for real dog training tips that actually work.